Once upon a time, a single apple could nourish your body with everything it needed. Remember the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Simple, powerful wisdom. Today, it can take more than 30 apples to equal the nutrition of just one from years ago. Our food looks the same, but it's fundamentally changed. The potency is simply gone. The soil, the air, and even how we grow and store food diminish its life force. This leaves our everyday meals with less vital energy than ever before. We crave more. But now, there's a revolutionary way to power up what you already love to consume. Introducing the Biophotonic Charger, your personal tool for enhancing all aspects of your well-being and life. Simply hold your smartphone's light over water, juices, or any liquid. Watch as biophotonic energy infuses your coffee, smoothie, meals, everything that has liquid in it. Then, complement your energy more with our Biophotonic Charger Water Mist Spray, amplifying the effect. Most good food that you consume can be infused with high-frequency biophotonic energy, boosting vitality. The biophotonic charge fluids helps your body replenish, align, boost, and absorb nutrition more effectively. It's the vital bridge between the nourishment food, water, and juices used to offer and what your body still craves. This isn't about replacing what we eat. It's about elevating its inherent qualities. It's about restoring its full potential, unlocking the energy within every sip. We have all been drinking water, but imagine if it could truly fuel us with optimal energy. It's time to tune up your water, your beverages, and your life. The 21st century provides ever-increasing exposure to EMFs. Wi-Fi routers, cellular towers, your phone, microwave, even your smart TV, and countless personal electronic devices are turning life-giving water into energy-draining liquid that's slowly robbing your cells of vitality. When you give your body structured, energized, life-giving water, everything changes. This helps your body absorb nutrients better, energize more, and truly thrive. Enhance your health effortlessly. Tune and power up what you already love with renewed vitality. Imagine your morning coffee, now infused with pure, life-enhancing biophotonic molecules. Your lunchtime smoothie, your evening drink, or even your favorite treat becomes a source of renewal. Tune up your nutrition. Activate nature's true potential within every ingredient. Restore vitality, balance, and holistic renewal to everything you consume. With this simple innovation, every sip you take and every meal can still keep the doctor away. Tune up and power up what you consume. Tune up and power up your health. Tune up and power up your life. Experience optimal wellness the way nature designed it. Explosive energy, razor-sharp mental clarity, true hydration, better sleep, improved digestion, younger-looking skin, and much more.